Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 1, we have toasted bread and scrambled egg and then sinigang na isda. For day 2, meron tayong boiled sweet potato and then boiled egg. Nagda din tayo ng banana. Slice na din natin. Day 3, this is just an egg and bread. Then I sliced it into pieces. And then this is pancit canton. Day 4, meron tayo ditong broccoli, lettuce, and then buttered shrimp. Pinalatan natin para mas mabilis siyang kumain. Day 5, we have boiled egg, sweet potato again, then slice natin ng banana. Day 6, paratha and egg and carrots. Day 7, just egg, boiled egg, cut into pieces. Meron din tayo ditong carrots and cucumber. Tortang corned beef, and also this is paratha with egg. Day 9, we have fried chicken and rice. Day 10, we have tortang, sardines, rice, and ketchup. Day 11, we have sardines in tausi, and then this is tuna sisig. Fried rice, beef, boiled egg. Day 13, rice, this is shrimp, buttered shrimp. Then I'll just add some cucumber. Day 14, fried rice, beef, and banana. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos and hit the notification bell para updated kayo para sa mga bago naming videos.